Assalamualaikum students, we are going to start 7th, 8th and 9th part of question number 3 of exercise 1.3. In 7th part we multiply minus 2 a scalar number with a matrix C, as minus 2 is a number and C is a matrix having entries 1, minus 1 and 2. We multiply minus 2 with each element of matrix C. For this, we use to multiply minus 2 first with 1. We use to multiply minus 2 with minus 1 and multiply minus 2 with plus 2. As it becomes minus 2 minus 1 times plus 2 minus 2 times minus 4, which is the answer of minus 2C, this matrix. For next one, 8, we multiply 3 a number with a matrix B. 3 is a scalar number. It multiplies with a matrix 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2. For this multiplication, we used to multiply 3 with each element of matrix B. 3 multiplied with 1, 3 multiplied with 2 and 3 multiplied with 3. 3 multiplied with minus 1, next 3 multiplied with 0 and 3 multiplied with 2. For the answer, 3 multiplied with 1, 3 1 times 3, 3 2 times becomes 6, 3 3 times becomes 9, 3 minus 1 times become minus 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6, which is the answer of this 3D matrix. For the last part of this question, 9th part of this question, 3C, we use to multiply 3 with a matrix C having values 1, minus 1 and 2. For this multiplication, we use to multiply 3 with each element of matrix C. First we multiply 3 with 1, next multiply 3 with minus 1 and the last one 3 multiply with 2. 3 1 times 3, 3 minus 1 times minus 3 and 3 2 times 6 becomes the answer of matrix 3C. This is the answer of the last part of this question, 3 minus 3 and 6.